We are talking about the best crypto wallets, the top 3 crypto wallets you should be getting involved with. Now, before we get in, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. Let me show you what I've got. So the first one we want to be talking about is the Nano X crypto wallet. The Nano X crypto wallet. So please go over to wired.com and follow along with this video. Now the Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is a secure hard wallet that stores your private keys. It looks like a swelling USB stick with a small screen on the front, mostly because it's a USB stick with a screen on the front. All right, only purchase your Nano X directly from Ledger. Only any other source could be potentially compromised. We want to be safe in the markets, guys. So the Nano X is available on Amazon from what looks like to be a legit Ledger storefront, but I still highly recommend buying directly from Ledger. The company offers free shipping, so there is absolutely nothing to be gained by buying from Amazon, and you introduce considerable risk in doing so. When it first arrives, the first thing your Ledger Nano X will do is walk you through downloading the companion app. Now, Ledger Live, there are versions available for just about every platform, and I've tested this on Linux. Once you have the app installed, connect the Nano X and the app will run through some questions designed to make sure your device hasn't been tampered with and it's on the way to you. If anything seems fishy, just stop and contact Ledger, okay? Number 2 is the Exodus wallet. I love talking about this because it's an exchange offering digital wallets. Okay, staking a variety of cryptocurrencies. Exodus was actually founded in 2015. Follow along on investopedia.com. With the headquarters in Nebraska and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC approves its offering of Class A common stock in April 2021. Now, Coinbase launched in 2012 and was previously headquartered in California. However, in 2020, it announced Coinbase would be a remote first company and plans to close its San Francisco headquarters by 2022. It went public via a direct listing in April 2021 as well. Now, some of the features of Exodus, the fees, the variable spread and network fees. We have currencies 235 plus. Security users actually play a big role in the safety storing of their crypto. Exodus doesn't hold funds or require personal information for accounts. The platform takes measures to be secure. Now, the wallet is a hot software wallet and integrates with Tether, Modality, and Trezor One. Transactions supported is P2P, crypto to crypto trades, connect to exchange to buy crypto in app. And the max trade amount is unlimited, okay? You can get it on Android, iOS, desktop, Windows, Macs, Linux, all things like that. We have some pros: total control of your crypto assets, integration with Trezor, and earn rewards. And there is some cons. There's no phone support. You can't withdraw to fiat country, and it's less educational resources compared to the Coinbase wallet. Number 3, we have Trust Wallet, and it supports a diverse range of digital assets, allowing users to sell, swap, and purchase cryptocurrencies. Okay, collecting NFTs and exploring dApps, which is decentralized apps like Uniswap, things like that, Ava, Compound, okay? Users can also add custom tokens to their wallets for a more seamless Web3 experience. Trust Wallet actually launched a browser extension on November 14, 2022. Guys, if you're not following along, it's Investopedia. Hit that link down below so you can follow as well. It's a non-custodial wallet that allows users to remain in control of their private keys and digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, NFTs. However, users must keep their private keys, also referred to as recovery phases, safe and in the correct order for the backup purposes. Features of it: pros, supports 4.5 million digital assets. So Trust Wallet actually supports more than 60 cryptocurrency and custom tokens. There's no limit creating tokens, hence the number 4.5. The wallet also allows users to collect Ethereum BNB based NFTs. Now, easy setup. Getting set up with Trust Wallet on iOS and Android is super easy. Okay, start by downloading the wallet from the App Store on your preferred device. You can either create a new wallet or import your old wallet using the 12-word seed phrase. Non-custodial, which means it's wallet like Trust Wallet. Users have a sole control of their private keys. It's in-app decentralized exchange. So the native decentralized exchange allows users to buy and sell multiple digital assets within the app through 2 options: WAP and exchange. It's got available staking options as well. Some of the cons: no cold storage, limited custom support, private Android source code, and no iOS dApp browser. That's all you got from me, guys. Get some of them wallets. Make sure your crypto is safe. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.